Jai Srimanarayana. 19th sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Jnanam karma cha karta cha tridhaiva गुणभेदतः प्रोच्यते गुणसंख्याने यथावत् शृणुतान्यपि। ॐ gain good understanding about three gunas: mode of goodness, mode of passion, mode of ignorance, because it will have its own influence and effects on your spiritual development. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall gain good understanding about three gunas because of its influence and effects on my path of sadhana, spiritual development. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, the war began between Devatas and Danavas. Fight is going on. Dreadful fight is going on. Both of them each other fighting with so many different weapons and cutting their heads. Elephants, horses, chariots, charioteers, so many other vahanas, and all those people who are on those vahanas, all of their shoulders are cut, thighs are cut, and heads are cut, and legs are cut. Like that, everywhere their body parts and their dhwajas, their bows, their shields, their ornaments, everywhere spreaded all over in that battlefield. And because of Devatas and Danavas, they are walking and they are hitting the earth with their feet, so much of dust. And with the vehicles, so much of dust. All the dust is spreaded all over the space and nothing is seen. But immediately, because of the blood is spilling all over of those soldiers, all that dust is getting cleared immediately. Like that, everywhere the soldiers' heads are spreaded, those heads also with dreadful eyes, and the lips were biting with teeth. That kind of heads are seen everywhere in that battlefield. And all the soldiers' thighs, which are looking like the trunks of the elephants, such soldiers' legs everywhere spreaded in that battlefield. Like that, such a dreadful battle is going on between Devatas and Danavas. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasatravो vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 19th sloka. Jnanam karma cha karta cha tridhaiva gunabhedataha prochyate gunasankhyane yadhavat shrunutannyapi. Jnanam karma cha karta cha tridhaiva gunabhedataha prochyate gunasankhyane yadhavat shrunutannyapi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.